Hey Kathy, I thought I'd do a quick video for you and show you how to change this background. This is one of the pretty ones, and what's funny is it looks here like my hair is blowing. Isn't that a screen? So if you go down here to where the video carrot is, right there, and here you can choose a virtual background. And I can pick, I've used all these. I can do the Golden Gate Bridge. Isn't that something? And it doesn't like my mouse. There we go. See? Isn't that neat? And there are all kinds of pictures. You can put your own image up there. There are lots of pictures you can put here. Alright, and then to change it again, you go down here and choose virtual background. This is the other one I used. And then just close it. Isn't it something? I know. Okay. Okay, Kathy. See you later.